cheerleader.
Speaking of Makati, hindi taga Makati.
Dati may pakape ka, may mga tubig na lang.
Ano nangyari?
Hi, Bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. I don't have a cheer today, but I have a cheerful message. Good luck, everyone. Hope you like it.
Cheerful, ah. Okay. Thank you, darling.
At ang ating campus cheerlead tubig.
Yes, Bossing, because I have a cheer today.
Ha?
I have a cheer.
Pwede bang wala na?
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Dower Cats, get ready. Give me a W. Give me an I. Give me an N. What do we have? Hope you win, win, win. That's it.
Win, win, win. Ganda na tono mo. Saan na tutunan yun? Ha? Ang galing.
Give me a W. Ano?
W!
Eto na si Scabione. Okay,
Hey,
Hey, Scabione.
that's
Hi,
that.
Bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. I have here battered macaroons for everyone. And a cheer. Give me a G. Again.
Wala. Walang gusto mong bigyan
Or
ng G.
just by myself na lang. Give me a G. Give me a no. Give me a G. Give me a no. Give me a G. Give me a no. Go, go, go for me.
Sana siningita mo na isang A sa gitna.
Ha?
Malinis ba to? Ha?
Very, ah.
Malinis, ha?
Okay.
Kumuha ka na madumi. Gusto namin madumi.
Ito naman, nakuha ang word na
Uy.
turkey in 5 days.
Parang manggang natuyot to, ah.
Hoy, ayos yan.
Hi, Bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. I have here dried mangoes
Oh,
from
sabi na nga
Cebu.
ba, oh, nato yung mangga, oh.
And Bossing, I
Oh,
also...
kita
yes.
mo, oh. Dried mangoes.
Right, opo.
Ah,
Bossing,
ayun.
and I also have a cheer.
Ah, you have a cheer.
Yes.
Okay.
Dower Cats, are you all ready?
No!
Give me a good. Give me a luck. What do we have? Good luck, everyone. Hope you like it.
Good luck sa'yo.
Give me